my guy, ring the bell. We've got blonde truffle bars, Honey Mama's birthday cake. You know better than anything, I adore a few things: peanut butter and things that taste like birthday cake or funfetti. Wow, you see that packaging? There was no problem there. I'm curious. So far from the look of it, I am less intrigued. But here we go, we'll try a bar. That's what we're looking at. Smells. You know, that's healthy for you. It's growing on me. Got some fresh coconut in there. Wow. Okay. It's not my first choice off the shelf.